Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be cubing a two-digit number near a base. 84 cube. Step 1. Find a base number such that it is near the given number and is easy to work with. The base number of 84 is 80. Step 2. Compare the number with the base number. 84 minus 80 gives us a positive 4. Step 3. Thrice the difference. Positive 4 times 3 is positive 12. And then, if the difference is positive, add thrice to the base number. 80 plus 12 equals 92. Step 4. Multiply it with the square of the base number. And the square of 80 is 6,400. 92 times 6,400 is 588,800. This is part 1 of the answer. Now for part 2. Multiply thrice of the difference with the original difference. Positive 4 times positive 12 gives us 48. Next step, multiply it with the base number, 48 times 80, which is equal to 3,840. And that's part 2 of our answer. Moving on to part 3 and the final part of the answer, calculate the cube of the original difference. And the cube of positive 4 is 64. Lastly, simply add all the 3 parts of the answer, which gives us the final answer of 84 cubed, which is 592,704. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.